Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Children, in last class we completed this grammar part, textual grammar, right? So now let us enter into the reading B, that is home they brought her warrior dead. Yeah, the poem itself says that it is very sorrowful poem in which warrior dead and her dead body has come to her innocent her wife. Yes, the name itself suggests that home they brought her warrior dead. Yes, children. So let us enter into this poem and read this poem. This is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Yes, he is the author of this poem. Okay, children. The author of this poem is Alfred Lord Tennyson. Okay, so now let us read this poem. Read along with me. So all of you open page number 53 and please read along with me. Home they brought her warrior dead. She nor swooned nor uttered a cry. All her maidens watching said, she must weep or she will die. Then they praised him soft and low, called him worthy to be loved, truest friend and noblest foe. Yet she neither spoke nor moved. Stole a maiden from her place, lightly to the warrior stepped, took the face cloth from the face, yet she neither moved nor wept. Rose, a nurse of 90 years, set his child upon her knee. Like summer tempest came her tears. Sweet my child, I live for thee. Yes, this is the poem about the warrior. Yes, he was dead and he brought to his house. So how the wife reacted for that? Let us see in the poem. Home they brought her warrior dead. She nor swooned nor uttered a cry. Swooned in the sense become unconscious. Yes? Yeah? By seeing his warrior dead body. Warrior. Yes? What is meant by warrior here? Soldier. Yes? Warrior in the sense soldier. Swooned, became unconscious in the sense by seeing her warrior dead, she did not become unconscious. She was stable and nor uttered a cry. Uttered in the sense she even not cried at all. She even not feel the cry. All her maidens watching said, maidens means unmarried girls in the sense whoever stood beside her, the unmarried people, they say that she must weep. Weep in the sense she must express her feelings, her tears, or else she will die. Yes, no, because of some shock, people may die at that instant only. To avoid that, these people are saying that she must weep in the sense she must cry, or else she will die. So to make her cry, they tried a lot. How they did cry? They praised him and soft and low called him worthy to be loved. In the sense, they are praising the soldier. Yes, he's very talented. He fought very well. They started praising him, so that by remembering that she may cry. They thought, and they started saying that he is the truest friend for us. Yes, noblest foe in the sense enemy. He's very noble enemy. He's very truest friend. They are saying. Though they said all these things, she didn't cry. She didn't spoke. Neither she didn't cry at all. Then one maiden who stood beside her, she came from her place. Yes, she came from her seat and she stepped towards the warrior dead body, and she came to near warrior dead body. She removed the cloth from his face. The cloth was covered on the warrior's dead body. By seeing his face, may she cry, she thought. But when she removed that cloth from from the dead body of that warrior, she did not cry at all. Even she did not move. Yes. Rose, a nurse of 90 years. Here, there is a nurse named Rose who is of 90 years looking, yeah, she took her child. Yeah. Rose, a 90 years old man, she took that warrior's child, yes, warrior's child, and kept on that warrior's wife's on her knee. In the sense, she's sitting now, she kept that child on her knee. Then she started crying like anything. Here there's a word, tempest. Tempest, in the sense, like a storm in the ocean. Storm in the ocean. In the sense, how it will come suddenly, like it will flow like very fastly, very suddenly. In that way, by when that Rose kept her child on the knee, she started crying like that. She said, last night, sweet my child, I leave for thee. In the sense, my child, I will leave for you. Though your dad has died, I will leave for you, she said. By looking at that innocent, sweet child, the wife is saying like that. Yes. Really, this is a story, very sorrowful story, children. Why? Because many people, many soldiers lost their life for our India, to protect our India. Think, imagine how their families would be without them. Yes, so we need to respect them a lot. In this pandemic situation, they are facing that cold, they are facing this corona, everything they are facing, and they stood there to protect us now. All the bad enemies. Yes. So every time, children, you need to respect the soldier. Yes, you need to respect the doctors, because even they are working very hard to save our world from this pandemic situation, from this dangerous situation. Yes. So think, one soldier life is equals to their family's happiness. If he is dead, their whole happiness will be spoiled. Yes, children. But they didn't care anything. They'll fight for us. So always respect to the soldiers. Yes. Jai Hind, children. So every time when you see soldiers, please respect them. Okay. This is what I want to tell you as my personal opinion. Okay. Always respect the soldiers. Always respect the doctors, and even always respect the policemen. Okay. Those are backbone. Right? Even farmers are backbone of our India. So respect all these people. Never ever claim these people, and never regret these people. Okay, always respect these people. Yes, this is what the poem Whom They Brought Her Warrior Dead. She did, when she saw her warrior dead, she even didn't cry, she didn't become unconscious, she neither moved nor cried. Yes, she sat like anything, she was in shock. See, suddenly if they bring dead body, how can she react? If she will be like that, then she would be dying. So the people surrounded her tried in many ways, by praising him, by taking cloth from his head. But Rose, that nurse, thought maybe by seeing child she will cry. So she took the child and she kept on her knee. Then she started crying. Yes, this is what the poem. In next class, children. Yes, now we completed this poem, right? In next class, we go for this, the magic of silk. Okay? Thank you, children. So remember one thing, what is the message today? Always respect soldiers, doctors, yes, policemen,